Hair loss affects so many women and men. Many don't realize there are simple and effective ways to treat it. At Great Many, we're here to guide you with a clear plan. One of the most effective treatments for hair growth is platelet-rich plasma, also known as PRP. PRP is an all-natural, non-surgical, no downtime procedure, effective for men and women. It uses your body's natural growth factors to revive recently lost hair, densify thinning hair, and promote growth. The treatment is simple and quick. When you visit us, you'll meet with a board-certified clinician experienced in hair. During your consultation, we'll get to know your history, goals, and preferences, and we'll take a closer look at your scalp and hair. First, we draw your blood, just like a simple blood test. Then, we spin it in a centrifuge to isolate the golden platelet-rich plasma, which contains your own growth factors. The PRP is injected into the scalp to feed your follicles and activate growth. It takes just a few minutes, and we keep you comfortable through the process. We repeat this once a month for 3 months to jumpstart your hair growth cycle. There is no downtime or recovery needed. You can jump right back into your day. At Great Many, we're here to maximize your hair's full potential.